Hi everyone! Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use the Unhook Chrome extension to create a completely distraction-free YouTube experience. This tool is perfect for hiding comments, sidebars, or even the homepage to help you stay focused. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more practical tech tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open your browser and search for Unhook YouTube extension. Once the search results appear, select the link for your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In this example, we'll use Chrome. Click on the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Once it's installed, head to the top right corner of your browser, click on the extension's icon, and pin Unhook so it's easy to access. Then make sure to turn it on. Step 2. Now, let's head over to YouTube with the Unhook extension enabled. You'll notice that the homepage looks completely clean and distraction-free. The usual video feed is hidden. If you prefer to see videos on your homepage, you can go to the Unhook settings and uncheck the option for Hide Home Feed. Step 3. Next, let's check out a video. With Unhook active, the video page is much simpler. No sidebars or distractions, just the video itself. If you scroll down, comments are visible by default, but you can hide them by toggling the Hide Comments option in Unhook settings. Step 4. If you want to hide or show the video sidebar, simply toggle the Hide Video Sidebar option in the Unhook menu. This gives you the flexibility to decide what elements you want to see while watching videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.